Macduff is a 6-year-old feline, and he's as sweet as can be. He loves to be pet, especially when it's a good head scratch. Macduff is a playful and goofy kid who will keep you laughing all day long. He'd prefer to be the only cat in your home, but he has gotten along with dogs before. Macduff is a big boy. He weighs almost 20 pounds. He'd love a home that's willing to help him lose a few of those. Macduff is currently hanging out in an Atlanta Humane Society foster home while he waits for his new family. So please visit atlantahumane.org/cats to learn more about him.